Is this thing on? Rayo!
Yo. What to do?
Gang. What are we doing today? It's been too long. What do we have here? Is this?
We got a NOS fogger system, Dominic. I see no turbo.
Just starting with bullshit right off the bat. Love
no
it.
turbo. Yeah.
Rayo's gloving it up. It's been far too long since I've wrenched with this guy.
This idiot.
This man.
It's been forever.
We're ready to jump some railroads now.
Hell yeah. Now you're talking.
Now we're talking. We're getting prepared here though. I'm happy to say we got a coupe. We have some cancer. We'll figure that out, but we're gonna get it running first. GC8 for real. We're gonna swap it. We're gonna go. We running USDM driveline, right? 5-speed RS 411.
RS, yes sir.
Okay, and we're pulling. So today the focus is we're gonna pull this motor. We're getting ready for a swap, boys. I'm gonna put up the trunk and party. We got a 0405 WRX motor. You said, is it a 255 or a 2.0?
2.0.
Oh, I can hear the boost leak right now. PTSD ensues. Alright, but me and Rayo are going to work on this GC8. We got a thing full of parts here. We're going to sort through it, get it running for the channel. Everyone welcome Rayo. First things we're going to do is we're going to drain the fluids on the radiator, the oil, get those fluids out there. That's my favorite noise. Yes! I'll hold your hair.
You should have told me about a squirter.
She's a squirter, alright.
That's why she's spitting.
God damn, look at that fucking Blue Lagoon. You're getting these are the two bolts that are on the cat?
Yeah. Man. And one of them's Imperial too, so I'm just like, alright, cool.
You got a standard on
Yeah!
there?
Yeah, the jabroni that had this before. Oh my Lanta.
He said, let me go to Harbor Freight real quick. I got some hardware. I'll fix this shit.
No, I just...
Dude, I love your Brembos. Those are great.
Oh, in the corner?
Yeah.
Or these spray painted Johnnies?
The spray painted Johnnies.
The special heads.
The speds. You know, this is quite the Subaru. Do you have all three, or are you just working on the first two before you go on to even...
No, I just need the driver's side done. I have these three off of the head.
Oh, okay. On that side or both sides?
On this side.
Oh, so you just have three left?
Yeah, I figured I'd take this one off while I'm at it.
That'll help, yeah.
Dude, this header this header should go for good money.
No, it should. That's what I was saying. Don't give the header away. Is it eBay or is it
It's that one guy with the C.
Oh, it's the bro that actually found them?
Yeah.
Wait, is it a phase 1 or phase 2 head? Can you tell by the... It'll tell the ports will show you when you pull it apart. We'll look at it.
Oh, Johnny. Look at that. Woo! Yeah,
wow.
Who needs exhaust studs when you can just...
Whoa! I was wondering what you were freaking out about. I missed all that. All the celebratory. I see why. I see why now.
What in
I'm gonna need a close-up of that. That is some ingenuity. Someone really went to great lengths. That's not right.
I guess if it looks stupid but isn't broke, it must not be stupid, right? You'd have a bad time.
I wonder if all three like that?
All three on this
So
side.
it'll need studs on that side, but they're not much. It's just annoying.
They're
I don't know why.
They're uno mas.
2 mistakes.
Grand finale. Just punch it, you know?
Yeah, hit your knuckles on it. them open.
On the sharp oil pan right here.
No blood on camera. It's the most climactic exhaust manifold ever. Oh!
Phase 1?
No, phase
2. The magic.
Dang, bro.
Dude, 4 of us could hit it.
Load that bitch up, dude.
These are the 5/8 bolts.
Those are not supposed to be holding your exhaust manifold on.
Junk, dude.
No.
People are very smart. And they Row.
Yeah.
Yep, just doesn't need to be.
Now you can straighten her if you want.
Yeah. No, it doesn't need to be hooked in. Just. Man, when's the last time you.
Oh yeah, there. They could use some PB Blaster.
Some Dub D? Some George W?
Oh, did you get the ones on the bottom?
Very bottom?
14 mils? Engine mounts?
Oh no.
We ain't going nowhere!
You're going nowhere.
We ain't going nowhere! Gotcha. I just realized that. That's my bad.
3 minutes.
You should really use the impact for that. It'll be fucking quick.
No, dude, they're just 2 14s.
Ugga that bitch.
Yeah.
Dude, we're gonna be here for 5 hours.
Oh, now you say something.
So yeah, you're getting the 2 mounts. It's a nut. There's a nut on each side of the motor.
Yeah.
There's
On the
actually
subframe.
four total. 2 on the bottom on the subframe, but then 2 out the bell housing if you have that style. Did you have any nuts on the back of the bell housing?
Yeah, I already took them off.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, she's free, buddy.
Pull her this way.
Sometimes. How are you? No matter what I do, it's not breaking free.
Hit it with your purse, Jerry.
Oh man.
Are we missing something? Oh, it's probably the dowels. Dowels, Jerry.
What dowels?
On the bell housing.
Dowell Jenkins.
You gotta shake it. Oh.
Watch your butts. Wow, this trans mount is
Oh,
amazing.
you're coming off.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a little gap going.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
No. What's not right? Did we miss the one hose?
No.
Oh!
What?
Brake booster line. We got that. That's
Yeah.
free.
Yeah, all of it. This is all free.
Oh, then just lift it up. It's good. We're off, I'm pretty sure.
Just something to pry it with, no?
Nah, bro.
No, bro.
Roll it back.
Roll it back. DJ, spin that ish.
Maybe not.
Right?
I thought we were off. Oh, lower her. Lower her. This is the trick. Lower her.
All the way?
Yeah. Okay, now lift it.
How is that a trick?
Because it, like, unbinds it. Stop. Now pull. Oh. What are we hung up on?
Dude, I'm shaking the whole trans.
Hmm.
This mount is garbage.
Give her a good shaking.
There we go.
Yeah, you just had to pop her open. That's what you needed. That's good. You aren't gonna go more than that.
Yeah.
You can pull it. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Now you give that bitch the old wiggle.
The old shake of death. All right.
Damn. You're getting closer.
You're just pretend stuck. You're not really. You're a liar. That's what you are. You're a dirty little liar.
Lift her up more.
Yeah.
And then shake her. Yeah, see, that is what we wanted. Oh, yeah.
Can I get a hoya? Just like that.
We're free.
Easy does it.
We're free. We're free. Clear for the most part. We're gonna go a little bit higher. And then back her out. Or do you need
Bro.
Bro, is this the first Subaru engine you've ever pulled?
Yeah. No, it's like my fifth.
I don't even want to. I don't even know.
It's like my fifth. 2 out of the STI, 1 out. No. 1 out of the wagon. 2 out of the STI. And 1 out of an old Impreza. No, my old WRX, my white one.
The wagon?
No, you've never seen it.
0405.
04.
Discount tire white one.
Yeah!
I saw it in pictures. Never seen it in person.
You remembered.
Yeah, my stoner brain only remembers so much, I feel like.
Look at that. So much more room for activities.
Oh!
Look at that. Look, what kind of jabroni did that?
That's a dog turd.
On a stick. He's getting that bud, bro.
For real.
Some good bud.
I want to smoke that shit right now. I'm gonna be seeing the
Toke
moon.
up. Put on some Mean Girls.
Gotta love the sludge.
Some sludge and some treasures. This old thing.
How's the throwout bearing? Looks fine. Just need some PB
Rusty.
Blaster, bro. I just throw a PB Blaster on there and send her. Yeah, she
Think she's
sounds
good?
great. She sounds
Think
great.
she'll handle 400 foot-pounds?
Sure.
All right.
I don't think so.
Sure.
While we're saying it now, I've never ran a RS driveline with WRX.
I think that's the point.
But
have some fun. Put some faith in her, bro.
yeah, if you're selling her, hey, faith on that next guy. Rayo.
Ripperino, son. She's done.
She's done.
Just kidding, I need that.
Need that. Alright. Well, we're all on our way to swapping this GC8 coupe with the WRX swap. More details on that. Check back for more. Thank you, Rayo, for hosting and showing off your project and wrenching today for us. Pulled this motor out flawlessly.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Other side. Hell yeah.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Gonna be active. Check back for more. Gonna be active. Very active. Check back for more. Alright, let's